So this one here is the girl's shoes. Let's see. And one of their shoes for going to school. Ayan, simple lang pero it's comfortable. Oh, ang cute. Oh, they have free socks. Wow, it's a unicorn one. Ooh, look at that. It's a heart in the unicorn. You got this, see, look at that. It's BFF, love, so wink. This is Zoe.
Can I wear one?
Okay, you try them. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, the other size, I don't know. It's a little bigger. Yeah, try them. Try them. Okay, this one here is oh, this is your socks. See, oh, this one is your socks. We're going to school too. Wow, they came earlier. Wow, what I got here, I opened this one already. Ooh, it's a big earrings. Look how big is that. Look how big is that, the earrings. Ooh, so cute. See what's this here. And I got these two earrings. It's a huge one. Both of them. I got this one too. How big is this one? They're both big. Whoa. It's cute though. And let's see what's in here. It's my sewing stuff again. It's like a trim for making a top or clothes or a sweater. Oh, I got this pretty one. And then let's make this unboxing. I have two Amazon box in here to open. Oh, it's a perfume that I bought from it's men's perfume. It's this one. Oh, it's my sewing stuff. It's a blue tulle and my pink thread. Another tulle. This is the perfume looks like. It smells good. It's like it's manly. It's Nautica Voyage. Panglalaki siya. Smells good. I got another unboxing here. Ooh, let's see what is this. It's their black shoes for school.
I'm not gonna wear it.
Oh, the Ate size is a little big. She might wear it next year. And so we size fits to Ate CJ. Oh no! Oh no!
Mommy, can you open this?
Pretty.
Mommy, open this.
Yes, baby.
I think I can do it all the stuff that I want to show you.
Yay.
I can do a lot of this.
another shoes for them. It's another cleaning shoes. Wow! I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow, so cute. Oh my. Oh, so cute. This one, I think it's just a phone protector for my iPhone. It's a screen protector. Oh, that's slimy. Yeah. It's like a plastic glass something. You got Zoe? Did you open Daddy box?
No, it's our box.
It's your bag. Let's see what you got in there. All the snacks in here. All the snacks and Daddy book. And another box for snacks. Oh, put Daddy book. Put it down. No, we don't touch Daddy book. Okay. There you go. Naman yung winter jacket or coat ni Ziley. Kasi pag sa school, naglalaro sila kahit may snow. So, ayan. Ganito yung mga outfitan nila pag lumalabas sa school. Ayan.